Using hearing as the main tool for learning new information and skill, auditory learning is a successful education strategy. People can improve their comprehension, focus, and memory while adjusting to various learning styles by actively listening. We may make the most of our sense of hearing throughout our life by learning through auditory means. I am auditory learner. I like doing in this way because I can better absorb what I study and retain it in my head for longer. In this essay, we will compare two methods of learning by listening. Watching education videos on YouTube and attending lecture in person. We will explore the similarities and difference between these two approaches and discuss their effective for different individual. We have two different situations for our auditory learning, namely learning through YouTube videos or teaching through lectures. This paragraph will discuss the difference of these two different activities, namely learning through YouTube and learning through lectures. Learning through YouTube as a better delivery medium than learning through a lecturer. YouTube videos have the benefit of being recorded in advance and accessible at any time. We wish an internet connection, student may access them from anywhere, enabling personalized learning experience. Contrarily, attending lectures necessitates physical attendance at a certain time and place while adhering to a set students. Learning through YouTube has a better accessibility than learning through lecturer. YouTube video are accessible to anybody with an internet connection, making instructional resources widely available. Students from varied backgrounds and circumstances can learn at their own pace as a result of this accessibility. But certain people may not be able to attend lectures due to practical difficulty like transportation, scheduling conflicts, or a shortage of seat. In some cases, I will learning to my friend with talking to each other. This can help me to better understand some of the learning topic being studied. If we make a conversation between us, it can make me understand more deeply. Through listening and talking with my friends, I can help one to better remember what has been learned. Both watching YouTube videos and attending lecture has perks and disadvantages. This discussion between the two is based on personal preference, learning style, and specific learning objective. Some students may find it beneficial to combine both methodologies in order to achieve a well-rounded learning experience. Despite their distinction, both YouTube videos and lecturers use listen to learn. This paragraph will compare and contrast these two activities, namely learning through YouTube and learning through lecturers. They provide opportunity for active engagement and require learners to focus on the spoken information. For example, using audio recordings or video as learning resources and design a accompanying exercise to assess comprehension. This exercise can include answering questions, summarizing the information. Additionally, both methods offer the possibility of pausing, rewinding, and replaying sessions to reinforce understanding or review complex concepts. Both traditional and online learning offer the option to pause, rewind, and replay specific sections of the course material. Depending on their needs, these functions enable students to review difficult ideas or solidify their grasp. These features allow learners to absorb information at their own pace and revisit challenging material for better comprehension. The benefit of self-paced and adaptive learning enable students to learn at their own pace and return to difficult topic for improved comprehension. These features provide flexibility in learning, personalized content and assessment, and the opportunity to review difficult concepts despite their difference. Lectures and YouTube videos both of listening as a technique of learning. Promote active participation and offer the option of pausing, rewinding, and replaying a section, ultimately improving comprehensions and fitting different learning style. In conclusion, learning by listening through YouTube videos and listening lecture differ in terms of delivery and accessibility. YouTube videos provide learners flexibility and convenience by allowing them to access a wide range of topics at their own speed. Lecturers, on the other hand, provide an organized learning environment that includes real-time interaction and involvement. Both systems, however, share commonalities in terms of encouraging active listening and offering opportunities for review and reinforcement. Learners can choose wisely to enhance their learning experience by knowing these contrasts and similarities. I think learning on YouTube is better for me because more practical and easily. That's all from me. Thank you.